Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best sugar-free dark chocolate chips is probably one of the most sought-after treats for health-conscious individuals and those with dietary restrictions, offering a delightful way to indulge in the rich, intense flavor of dark chocolate without the guilt of added sugars. In this video, we will explore the nuances of sugar-free dark chocolate chips, examining factors such as ingredient quality, taste profiles, and overall value to help you make an informed decision when choosing the perfect sugar-free dark chocolate chips for your needs. Number 5. Hershey's sugar-free chips. These delicious chocolate chips are perfect for baking without the added sugar. Enjoy all the rich, chocolatey flavor you love, guilt-free. They're semi-sweet, so you still get that satisfying chocolate taste. Perfect for cookies, brownies, and more. Use them in all your favorite recipes. They melt beautifully and add a delicious chocolate flavor to your creations. This pack contains 2 8-ounce bags, providing plenty of chips for all your baking needs. Always have some on hand for a sweet treat. Get the classic Hershey's chocolate taste you know and love, without the added sugar. It's the perfect way to indulge your sweet tooth. With these sugar-free chips, you can enjoy baking delicious treats without worrying about added sugars. Try them today. What we like? If you love the classic Hershey's taste but need sugar-free option, this is it. It's perfect for baking familiar treats without the added sugar. You'll enjoy the familiar taste in your favorite recipes. What people say. They bake like normal and have absolutely no aftertaste when eaten raw or baked. These worked well in my brownies. They tasted good and had a good texture. I've been making sugar-free cakes and cookies with these chocolate chips and they have been a real hit. Most people do not believe that the cakes or cookies are sugar-free after they taste them. Number 4. Wholesome Provisions Keto Chocolate Chips. It's a 12-ounce resealable bag, providing 24 servings of delicious dark chocolate chips. That's more than many other brands. These chips are sweetened with stevia and erythritol, containing 0 added sugar. Enjoy a guilt-free treat with only 1 g net carbs per serving. It's gluten-free, vegan, non-GMO, and kosher certified. They're also soy-free and maltitol-free, making them a great option for many diets. These chocolate chips have 25% fewer calories and carbs than regular chocolate chips. Each serving has only 50 calories. Use them in baking, add them to your protein shake, or simply enjoy them straight from the bag. The possibilities are endless. What we like? It's a great value with a large bag size. If you're following a keto diet and need a delicious sugar-free chocolate chip, this is your best choice. Enjoy guilt-free baking and snacking. What people say. They do not taste sugar-free, they do not have the cooling effect that erythritol normally has, they do not have a stevia aftertaste. And they are nearly 70% cocoa. The taste is amazing. Flavor is properly bitter, at 60% dark. This was expected, but still I was pleasantly surprised. This also does not leave a bad aftertaste like regular dark chocolate can. The flavor is very good. The taste is really good. If you are used to eating other sugar-free chocolate chips, you will find these slightly different and they don't cause me any digestive troubles. Number 3. Gefen Sugar-Free Mini Chips. It's made with high-quality vegan, dairy-free, real dark chocolate. These chips are perfect for those with dietary restrictions. They are great for baking, decorating, or simply enjoying as a snack. Let your creativity shine. It's dairy-free, sugar-free, gluten-free, nut-free, and vegan. Enjoy guilt-free indulgence. You'll notice the rich, delicious taste immediately. It's a flavor experience unlike any other. It's certified kosher parva, making it suitable for year-round use, excluding Passover. Enjoy the delicious taste with confidence. Use them in your favorite recipes for cookies, brownies, or any other baked goods. They add a touch of decadent sweetness. These delectable chips are the perfect treat for satisfying your sweet cravings. Enjoy them straight from the bag. What we like? These mini chips are perfect for baking and decorating. If you need dairy-free, kosher, sugar-free chocolate chips, this is a great option. The small size makes them ideal for precise baking and decorating. What people say. Taste is very similar to a regular chocolate chip. These chips work perfectly for my keto chocolate chip cookies. The size, small, which matches the size of my cookies, and their taste, not too sweet or bitter, right in the middle. Taste great, melt perfectly. Number 2. Hershey's sugar-free semi-sweet baking chips. These delicious chocolate chips are perfect for baking without the added sugar. Enjoy all the rich chocolate flavor you crave, guilt-free. It's the perfect way to indulge your sweet tooth without compromising your health goals. They're surprisingly delicious. They melt beautifully and add the perfect touch of semi-sweet chocolate to your favorite recipes. Use them in cookies, brownies, or anything you like. Each bag is 8 ounces, providing plenty of chocolate chips for all your baking needs. Great for sharing, or not. This value pack contains 6 8-ounce bags, ensuring you always have plenty on hand for your baking adventures. Stock up and get baking. With these sugar-free chocolate chips, you can enjoy delicious baked goods without the guilt. Bake something amazing today. What we like. If you bake a lot and need a sugar-free option, this bulk pack is perfect for you. It offers the familiar taste of semi-sweet chocolate chips without the sugar. Stock up and bake to your heart's content. What people say. Very chocolate. Love the flavor and they bake great in my chocolate chip cookies. These are the best sugar-free chocolate chips on the market. They have a wonderful melting in your mouth effect. They're not chalky at all. I bake a lot and these are so good you'd never know that they are sugar-free. No difference in comparison between how they bake in chocolate chip cookies or in a chocolate cake. Bake the same as the sugary chocolate chip. Number 1. Yupik Organic Dark Chocolate Chips. Experience the rich, intense flavor of our 70% cacao dark chocolate chips. They're the perfect addition to your favorite baked goods or enjoyed as a delicious snack. These small-sized chips melt smoothly and evenly, ensuring perfect distribution in your recipes. Their size also makes them ideal for snacking. We use only the finest natural sweeteners, erythritol, agave, and stevia, to create a delicious, guilt-free treat. It's naturally sweetened, without refined sugars. Enjoy these delicious chips knowing they're dairy-free, vegan, gluten-free, GMO-free, and kosher certified. It's suitable for various dietary needs. Made with certified organic ingredients, these chocolate chips are a delicious and healthy choice. They're perfect for baking cookies, brownies, cakes, and more. These chips are ideal for baking. Their smooth melting quality ensures even distribution and a rich chocolate flavor in all your creations. Add them to your favorite recipes and elevate your baking game. Enjoy these dark chocolate chips as a satisfying and delicious snack. Their rich, intense flavor will leave you wanting more. What we like. If you prefer a richer, darker chocolate and appreciate organic ingredients, this is the one for you. The small size is perfect for melting and baking, ensuring even distribution in your treats. Enjoy the intense flavor and high-quality ingredients. What people say. A very smooth chocolate. It feels like it has a higher fat content and the chips are smaller so it melts nicely. It has a mild flavor and doesn't have any unpleasant sugar-free aftertaste. I like that it's made with stevia and is dark chocolate. I like to let it melt in my mouth, a great 100-calorie snack. I also add to my protein shakes, like a happy little surprise at the bottom of the glass. I can melt, cook, make low-calorie, sugar-free desserts with it. Very smooth chocolate, not too sweet, what you would expect from dark chocolate. Works fine as chocolate chips. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.